Welcome guys. Today we are going to install Visual Studio Code in Ubuntu, and we'll start by opening our browser and searching for VS Code or Visual Studio Code, and we'll see some links. So we'll go to the first link, which is for the website download page for Visual Studio Code, and then we will see the downloads for different operating systems. And then we can also open the terminal for Ubuntu. So we are going to use the terminal to install our software. So in this case, since I'm using Ubuntu, we'll download the .deb, the Debian file in the middle, and it will start the download. So in this case, I'm going to save the file. I'll click save and then I click OK. And then we'll give the download some few moments. You can also check the documentation for Visual Studio Code and all that. So once the download has been completed, it will have saved the file in downloads folder, unless you have configured your download location. So you can use the ls command to check, and you can see we have code version .deb file, which is in red, and it's a fast file. And then so we are going to install this using the terminal, and we are going to use dpkg, the Debian package manager. So sudo dpkgi and the file name, so I for installing, and then after we do that, we click enter. It will ask us for the password, so you need to have elevated privileges for sudo, and then it will unpack the installer, and that's it is installing. It will take some few moments. Then after it has completed, it will show us the terminal, back to our terminal. So to run Visual Studio Code, you just type code. So it's one of the ways to test if you have installed it successfully. So it shows the user interface for the Visual Studio Code, and the user interface, just like the other one that we saw in Windows, it has a light, dark theme and high contrast themes. You can navigate through the UI, the menus, the search, and you can also install plugins from the marketplace for Python and other different softwares or languages. So thank you for watching. Click share, like and subscribe for more content, and I hope that this has been helpful.
Subscribe for more content.